Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to connect to server and unexpected error occurred, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just select your network connection, right click on it, click properties, go into configure, and then go into advanced, scroll down on here, go into priority and VLAN, make sure to disable this priority and VLAN. After that, go into segment coalescing, disable this option, go into IPv6, disable this as well, and then click OK on it. After that, open up the same setting again, but now you're going to go into Internet Protocol version 4, going to use the following DNS server addresses, right on here 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1 and then click OK. After that, scroll down, uncheck Internet Protocol version 6 because IPv6 is having troubles with Hytale, and then click OK. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly, because if your date and time is set incorrectly, your computer has trouble connecting to the internet and hence can't join any servers on Hytale. So just open up your start menu, right here date and time, select your time zone. After that, click set time automatically and then click sync now. Wait for it to sync. Once it's done syncing, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up your Hytale now, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You'll be able to connect to servers. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.